Hello and welcome to a brand new video on the Sagemax channel. My name is Michael Müller and today I have something very special for you. The new universal coloring system Paint 3D. This innovative system takes color, precision and efficiency to a whole new level. Ideal for anyone in dental technology who values quality and ease of use. In this video, I will give you a first look at the product, showcase the key highlights and explain why Paint 3D has the potential to sustainably change the way you work. Let's discover together what Paint 3D has to offer. Enjoy watching. Let's first clarify the question, what is Paint 3D? Paint 3D is a universal coloring system for the individual staining and glazing of dental ceramics in the CTE range of 9.4 to 17.5. It is ideally suited for milling, pressing and veneering ceramics, from zirconium oxide to lithium disilicate and lucite reinforced glass ceramics, as well as low fusing metal ceramics and classic feldspathic ceramics. No matter what material you are working with, Paint 3D provides the perfect solution for finalizing your restorations. One system for everything, one color for every idea. But what makes this system so special? The goal was clear: to develop a coloring system that is compact, easy to understand and as simple as possible to use. The result? 2 kits with a total of 28 colors, 2 glazes, 2 textures and 1 universal liquid, all in ready-to-use consistency, each as a 4G paste based on liquid ceramic. Open it up and get started right away. That's the motto. Let's start with the starter kit. In addition to the products, you will find a central document, the Quick Start Guide. It contains all the important information, from the product description and preparation of the framework to material properties, and a clear presentation of all colors with suitable application examples. Particularly helpful is the overview of the 2 application techniques that can be used to process the pastes. Firstly, the wet-in-wet technique. This is quick, efficient, and extremely popular. First, the glaze is applied, and then the effects are painted directly into the still wet glaze. Thanks to the thixotropic properties of the pastes, all colors stay in place and do not shift. Secondly, the classic technique. Here you first apply the effects, fire them, and then glaze. Ideal for those who prefer to work step by step. But that's not all. In the Quick Start Guide, you will also find practical mixing options for individual color creation as well as all firing parameters. Clear, concise, and directly applicable. For example, 3 programs for monolithic zirconia tailored to the respective number of units, whether it's a single crown or a 10-unit bridge. There will also be some application videos coming soon on this topic. And finally, a practical extra. On the last page, you will find all products with item numbers, ideal for quick and easy reordering. Now let's move on to the contents of the starter kit. As you can already see by the colors, the pastes are divided into 5 groups, each with its own function. First, the dentin group. Intensely colored pastes, ideal for adjusting the dentin color, enhancing the chroma, adding accents or mixing with other colors. Second, the enamel group. Less intensely pigmented pastes with translucent color nuances, perfect for the incisal area. They allow you to realistic rendering of bluish, grayish or violet light reflections, as well as whitish shimmering zones. Third, the effect group. 3 special shades for the targeted design of mamelons, the halo effect, and a natural transition to the gingiva. Fourth, intense effect group. This group provides strong contrasts for intense effects, e.g. interproximal or occlusal discolorations, enamel cracks, calcifications, or caries-like structures. Fifth, the glaze and texture. The glaze has a honey-like consistency and can be applied evenly and thinly. It can either be colored or used to specifically enhance the translucency of other colors. The texture paste is uncolored and particularly firm, ideal for building contact points, modeling the tooth shape, or designing surfaces. If desired, it can also be colored in a 12:1 ratio with additional colors. And last but not least, the universal liquid, a true all-rounder, perfect for reactivating dried out pastes or for precisely adjusting the consistency. Now, let's take a look at the Gingiva kit. Here, everything is thoughtfully designed and user-friendly too, divided into 3 groups that make it easy, effective, and customizable to create lifelike gingival reconstructions. First, the base group. These colors form the foundation of any gingiva design. With the tones rose, orange, pink, and pink, a wide range of realistic color variations can be recreated, depending on the clinical case and aesthetic requirements. Second, the effect group. This is where character comes into play. Whether it's subtle capillary effects, pigmentation, or age-related changes, the wide range of colors and excellent blendability allow for highly individualized designs. This makes every reconstruction truly unique. Third, the gingiva glaze and texture. The gingiva glaze has a honey-like consistency, similar to the classic fluorescent glaze, and allows for particularly even application. It can be used both for mixing with gingiva colors and for glazing conventional veneering ceramics where fluorescent properties are not desired. The gingiva texture paste is lightly tinted, stable, and highly moldable. It forms a gentle filter on the surface. Ideal for crafting natural-looking gingiva structures. If desired, it can also be custom tinted at a 12:1 ratio. Now let's take a closer look at the 3 key product highlights and why Paint 3D has the potential to fundamentally change the way you work. First, universal color system for maximum material freedom. Paint 3D is based on a low-fusing glass combined with firing stable color pigments. The result? A staining system that can be used universally on nearly all dental ceramic materials, within a CTE range of 9.4 to 17.5. Whether it's zirconia, milled ceramics, pressed ceramics, or traditional layered ceramics, Paint 3D delivers reliable performance and material compatibility. The colors remain color stable and true to nature, true to the motto, what you see is what you get. Second, the 3D effect paste. With the specially developed 3D effect pastes, realistic three-dimensional effects can be achieved. Even at extremely thin layer thicknesses, they create an impressive sense of depth. For particularly sculptural structures, there are also special texture pastes that can be applied thickly to produce a natural surface texture. This results in vibrant, highly aesthetic outcomes full of character. Exactly what modern patient aesthetics demand. Third, easy handling. For efficient and consistent results. All pastes come ready to use and are immediately applicable. They can be intuitively applied, modeled, mixed and blended without any complicated preparation. Thanks to their thixotropic properties, applied effects stay exactly in place. Nothing runs or shifts. And the best part, the pastes are self-glazing as they contain the same glass component as the glaze. This ensures an exceptionally smooth, even surface while preserving the underlying texture. In summary, Paint 3D offers material freedom, new creative possibilities, and a genuine boost in efficiency for your daily work. It works reliably on almost all ceramics, creates natural depth effects with the 3D pastes, and can be applied intuitively and cleanly, delivering results that are not only faster, but visibly better. Finally, I'd like to share a few impressions of the aesthetic possibilities that can be achieved with Paint 3D. Get inspired by the natural effects, depth and vitality the system can bring to your work. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. See you soon and have fun experimenting with Paint 3D.